Vidiq Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Vidiq Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to vidiq.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And from here, if you don't know Vidiq, it is a browser extension and suite tools designed to assist content creators, particularly those on YouTube, with optimizing their videos for better search rankings, visibility, and overall performance. It also provides data-driven insights, analytics, and recommendations to help YouTubers improve their video strategy and grow their channel. And some of the features it provides is keyword research, competition analysis, video optimization, trending videos and topics, subscriber insights, and many more. And aside from that, Vidiq aims to provide content creators with actionable data and recommendations to optimize their content strategy, improve search rankings, attract more viewers, and ultimately grow their YouTube channel, since it's particularly useful for creators who are looking to understand the YouTube algorithm, boost video discoverability, and increase their YouTube subscriber base. And now that we know the background info of this platform, the next thing that we need to do is to sign up, in which you can sign up from here using your Google account or by entering your email address in here. But I'm going to choose to sign up using my Google account. So kindly click on it, and after that, you will be directed on this page. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to add your YouTube channel right here. Since it says here that in order to unlock Vidiq features, you must add your YouTube channel. And some of the feature of Vidiq that you can get is custom recommendation powered by AI, performance comparisons on competitors, analytics for your videos, and subscriber analysis. And now, just proceed by clicking Add Your YouTube Channel button below. And upon clicking on it, all you need to do is to select your account on Google and also just click Allow button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, it will show you the plans that they offer, such as Basic and Boost plan, in which the Basic plan is only for free, in which below is the only 3 features or benefit that you will get, such as basic video analytics, competitor analysis, and YouTube education. While by upgrading your account or plan, you will get a search engine optimization, AI video recommendation, trending topics, and thumbnail optimization. And you can avail this plan amounting to $39 per month when billed annually. But for now on, I'm going to continue using the basic plan, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this homepage or dashboard of Vidiq. And for the introduction, all you need to do is to answer or select your answer to some of their questions, such as to add your keywords. We have here a variety of suggested keywords that you can choose. And I'm going to choose shorts and football, and proceed by clicking the save button below. And from here, you will see some of the features that you can access, such as under the Get Started. It says here that you will be able to track your own channel's growth once you upload a video on YouTube, since your YouTube channel are now connected to this platform. However, we are not here to grow our channel using this platform, but rather to join to their affiliate program and earn commission. And in order to do that, from this page, just proceed by clicking the profile icon on the top right corner, in which by clicking on it, it will reveal a variety of options that you can navigate. And also by clicking the 3 lines, it will also show you a variety of options that you can navigate. And now to proceed, just go to your profile icon, and below option, just proceed by clicking the affiliate center. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to choose your referral URL, so you could simply enter your username right here, or even your name if you prefer to use it as your URL. And then proceed by clicking Enroll Now button below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And as you can see under the overview, you will see here your custom URL that you can use to start promoting this platform vidIQ. And aside from that, from here, you could also track your stats or statistics such as the number of signups, the number of clicks, the number of conversion, and even the amount of your earnings or commission. While below, you will see here your current affiliate level, in which we have the 3 affiliate levels such as associate, that you can earn a 15% lifetime commission for making 0 to 10 sales, while influencer amounting to 20% earnings of commission for making 11 to 50 sales, while ambassadors or pro level, you can earn a 25% lifetime commission for making 51 to 300 sales or more. And as you can see, we are currently on associate level. Now, in terms of promoting or start earning a commission on this platform, using your custom link or URL, you could attach those links to your profile, to your social media posts such as on Facebook, Instagram, on your Twitter, or even attach it to your blog if you have one. So there's actually a lot of ways or options that you can choose to start promoting this platform vidIQ. And if you're invitees, just click or sign up using your custom link on vidIQ. And if they make a sale or not, you will also or still get a 15% commission from it. Well, in terms of payment option, you could enter or add your PayPal email address under this Add Your PayPal Email and proceed by clicking the Save button right here. And aside from that, if you want to know the terms and conditions about the affiliate program of vidIQ, just proceed by clicking the Terms section on the top panel. And by clicking on it, it will also show you a variety of agreement, including the overview, the affiliate obligations, and other terms and conditions that you need to consider before joining to the affiliate program of vidIQ. Now, going back to this page, if you want to know the FAQs or the frequently asked question, just proceed by clicking this page or section, and you will be directed in here, in which it will show you some of the questions that are frequently asked upon joining to the affiliate program of vidIQ. And by simply clicking on each question, it will show you the corresponding answer. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you will also see the related articles that you could also click to know the corresponding answer to them. Now, going back to this page, and from here, you could also navigate the brand kit option, in which by clicking on it, you will be directed on this Google Drive, in which it will show you a PDF file and banner social images. And it will also show you some of the basic things, including their mission, their logos, the color accuracy, and many more. Now, going back in here, you could also click Get More Info button below if you want to make more referrals and learn everything you need to know about vidIQ referral program. And also, if you want to contact them using their email address, just click this Contact Us button below. So that is just how you can join the vidIQ affiliate program. Thank you.